Hey guys, welcome back to Ellen Beauty. My name is Leah and today's video is going to be my January Sephora Playbox. Alright, so hi, welcome. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and let's dig into this month's Sephora Playbox. So as always, if you don't know what a Sephora Playbox is, it is a subscription that you can do on Sephora.com. It is a monthly description box that sends you, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 samples every single month, and the sample sizes are actually a pretty decent size. You do get them in a nice little Ziploc bag that you can use if you want, again, to store different kind of products. I like this because it is pretty easy to store the products if I don't want to use them yet. You do get a nice little pamphlet of explaining all the products that you got. The theme for this month's box is Stress Busting Beauty Chart. So it is stress-free beauty. You can expect these makeup, skincare, and hair care stars to ease your mind and beautify your daily routine. Perfect. So with your Sephora Playbox, you can have a profile on Sephora.com. You can take their little quiz that kind of personalized products to you each month. It talks about your skin type, what hair color, what eye color you have, what are your needs and concerns. So they kind of try to take into account your personalized needs and send you products that you will actually use. So you do get five products and one bonus. Oops, I'm missing one. Hold on. All right, now I have everything. So like always, you get 5 products and one bonus product. And it talks in the little pamphlet here, all the products that you did get, how to use them, why you got them, why they chose it for you, and if they were award-winning or exclusive to Sephora, things like that. So my first product that I got is the Benefit Give Me Brow. This is the volumizing eyebrow gel, and I got mine in warm golden blonde. I did change my profile a little bit because I did lighten my hair up just a little bit more. And I do actually get this product quite frequently in my box, so I feel like I never need to buy a full size. Oh yes, also this Sephora Playbox is $10 a month. But I like this Benefit product because the dual end fibers, it just kind of plumps up my eyebrows a little bit fuller. I like the color on it. If I am usually on the go and I want to do my eyebrows pretty quickly, I just have to brush this right in and it gives me the look that I desire in just seconds. So I absolutely really like this product. I'm glad I got another one. My second product is a cult classic, is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper, which is their pretty black color. This is an enormous sample size. I feel like why buy a full size of this, and this is going to last me a very long time. I really like this liquid eyeliner. I feel like it is easy to apply. It gives me a solid black eyelining look. It doesn't look like any kind of smudges. It doesn't transfer. It's pretty easy to do a wing. So I'm really happy that I got this product as well. All right, so my third product is from Glam Go. It is their Super Mud Activating Charcoal Treatment Mask. I feel like charcoal is really good, an ingredient to fight against any kind of active acne that you have. And so I'm really excited to give this one a try. Can't really see it too much because I do have some makeup on, but I have a nice patch right here and here of acne that I have been fighting against. And so a charcoal mask is a really great option to use if you have time during the night. I'm currently using one by Origins that I really like, so I'm excited to give this one a try as well. So I like Glam Glow products specifically for their masks. Like I say, in every product that I'm talking about, this is a pretty decent size, so I'm excited to give this a go. Alright, so I absolutely adore getting skincare in my play boxes. The skincare tends to be pretty pricey, so I like to have these large sample sizes to really dig in to make sure I am really happy with the product. And I really like this next brand that I got, Shiseido. It is a Japanese-inspired skincare brand. This is the, I'm probably going to say this way wrong, the Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Cream. This one is for intense hydration for 24 hours. It's a clear gel moisturizer, which I actually really enjoy using clear gel moisturizers. And it features carrot and peony extracts, which help brighten your complexion while using those antioxidants. I actually dug into this already and I have been using this and I really like this product because it is a gel moisturizer. It goes on very nicely. It has that cooling effect, so it's just very calming as well. I have been using this one specifically in the morning time. I have different products that I'm using at night right now. And makeup also lays really nicely on top of this. It isn't sliding around or have any patchy spots. So I really like the Shiseido line. They have a beautiful sunscreen that I highly recommend, and so I'm excited to give this one a go as well. So my 5th full-size sample product is Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I actually got one of these in my last monthly box, which again, I like. This one is a cult classic primer that a lot of people use underneath makeup. It is specifically used to smooth and blur any kind of pores. This one, it just says that it just needs a dime-size amount to clean dry skin, to prep your skin for a flawless look, which I totally agree. This again is a nice big size. I haven't even made a dent into my other one. So this is a product I enjoy using. So now I have 2 sample sizes of these. They are great for traveling. So I know there's no need for me to buy the full size. You do get a 6th bonus product. A lot of times it can be hair care, but most of the time it is a perfume scent. I actually really do enjoy trying out different kind of perfumes. And this one, they sent me one of my personal favorites, which I am dying to get the full size of this, but it is so pricey. So I've just been like, keep sending me all these samples, you know, keep sending them. So this is the Victor & Wolf, I'll be saying that wrong as well, the Magic Sage Spell. Now this one, oh my goodness, it has a very earthy kind of a scent to it. I have a little bit on my finger. Oh, it just smells so good. And it lays really well with my skin chemistry. It says that the fragrance family it's very earthy and woody, which is kind of a little bit more on the lines of fragrance that I do enjoy. I don't really like anything that is super, super sweet or super, super floral. I think with my body chemistry, more of that earthy and woody scents kind of stay a little bit longer on my body as well. The top note on this is pink grapefruit, the middle is the sage, and then the base is the green tea leaf. So it's just a very enjoyable, clean, fresh kind of a woodsy kind of a smell. I'm going to put a little bit on right now. And I just think it complements. It is also a fragrance that I do get compliments when I do wear it. So I just really, the different kind of notes that come out throughout the time that you are wearing it, you can just really smell it. Just kind of just so nice. I just really, really like it. So yeah, those are all of my products that I got in this month's Sephora Play Box. I love unboxing these every month. I love getting them every month. I love seeing what new products I get to try and sample before I decide if I do want to get the full size. I like to really play with these products. Like I said, it's a Sephora Play Box. So comment down below if you get this box, if you do think it is worth the $10 a month. Because there are so many subscription boxes these days and there's so many options to choose from. I just really like this one because it's products that I actually do use. So as always, I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Thanks for watching this video and I will talk to you later. Bye.